Meaning of flamenco.
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 Flamenco. Flamenco is a genre of music, song, and dance that originated in the Andalusia region of southern Spain. It is characterized by expressive movements and emotional intensity, with intricate rhythms and melodies played on guitar and percussion instruments. The dance often involves staccato footwork and dramatic poses, while the singing is marked by passionate, mournful vocals. Flamenco has become a global phenomenon, with performers and aficionados around the world celebrating its unique blend of artistry and cultural heritage.